In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any microphone sound better in OBS Studio 2026. Start by connecting your microphone to your computer and making sure your system recognizes it. If you can, keep the mic about a hand's length from your mouth and slightly off-center to reduce plosives. A quiet room helps a lot, but will also handle background noise inside OBS. Open OBS Studio and head to Settings. In the audio section, find the mic auxiliary dropdown and select your microphone from the list. If you have multiple inputs, pick the exact device name you intend to use. Click Apply, then OK. Back on the main screen, check that your mic meter in the audio mixer is moving when you speak. Aim for healthy levels without peaking into the red. In the audio mixer, locate your mic aux. Click the three dots next to it and choose Filters. We'll add a few filters in a smart order to clean, shape, and control your sound. Add Noise Suppression and choose RN Noise. This option provides higher quality background noise removal than basic modes, though it may use a bit more CPU. It's great for fan noise and light room hum. Speak normally and make sure your voice still sounds natural while steady noise is reduced. Next, add a noise gate to keep the mic closed when you're not speaking. As a starting point, set the close threshold to around 32 dB and the open threshold to around 26 dB. The open value should be a little higher so your voice reliably opens the gate while softer room sounds stay out. If the ends of your words get clipped, nudge the thresholds up or adjust hold and release slightly. Now add a VST plugin to shape tone. Choose a VST EQ and give your voice a gentle bass lift around 100 Hz for warmth and a subtle treble boost around 10 kHz for clarity and air. Keep boosts modest, think 2 to 4 decibels to avoid muddiness or harsh sibilance. Add a compressor to even out volume. Use a ratio of 4:1 or 5:1 with a fast attack around 2 to 3 milliseconds and a release near 100 milliseconds. Lower the threshold until your normal speech shows a few decibels of gain reduction, typically 3 to 6 dB. If your level drops too much, add a bit of makeup gain. Finally, add a limiter to prevent clipping. Set the ceiling between 3 dB and 6 dB and place it at the end of the chain. This catches sudden peaks and keeps your audio clean and consistent. Speak at your normal volume and fine-tune each filter until your meter hovers in the green to yellow range. With these settings, your mic will sound clearer, fuller, and more professional in OBS.